Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our first alternate video using the April 2026 Lakeside Retreat Paper Pumpkin Kit. So what do I have? I have got a side opening landscape card base in pecan pie. I have got one of the card fronts from the kit cut down to 5 1/4 by 4. And I took the circle and I flipped it upside down in the die so that I've got the white side up. This side looks kind of cool, the way it's broken through and the colors showing. But I chose to continue with the pecan pie color because with the laser cut here, you kind of get a little bit of that brown edge. So that's going to go down. And I'm using one of the banners from the kit and another of the banners from the kit. And I'm going to stamp the happy on here and birthday on here. So I'm going to have to be super, super careful in how I ink this up because it is going to be really close. I'm just looking for my washi tape, which seems to have disappeared. There we go. There's my washi tape. So I am going to do my best to tape off the birthday portion of this. So I'm just going to put this across the B like that. I'm leaving the H complete. It's just they're super, super close together. So I don't think I'm going to be able to ink up just the top word or just the bottom word. So I've got happy exposed there. I've just pushed the tape down. So let's go ahead and stamp that. So I'm going to ink this up. I'm still only going to see if I can just put the edge in. Otherwise, when I peel all this off, it just gets ink everywhere. So I'm going to stamp this down. And I need to pull it towards me just a little bit so that I can see what I'm doing. So we're going to put the happy down like that. Okay. And we're going to clean off the stamp. I'm just going to get a wipe. I'm going to clean off the stamp like that, and we're just going to put that off to the side, and I'm just going to dry it on my hand a little bit, and then I'm going to tape off the birthday or the happy so that I can just see the birthday. So I'm just going to need to shorten this up a little bit. This is going to fit right in here like this so that the happy is covered up. So the only thing I'm inking up is the birthday. Yes. Okay. So we're going to ink up the birthday like that. Peel the washi tape off. Bring this in, and I'm stamping this down towards the bottom like that. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay, so the other thing that I want to do, see, this is now going to sit over top like this. So we've got happy birthday sitting over the top like that. That is perfect. Okay, what I want to do is I actually want to do some stamping on here. So I'm going to ink this up, and I'm going to put a stamp down like that. Like that, okay, and then I'm going to come back in like that, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to stamp really close to the edge here, and maybe I'll come in this way on this side, really close to that edge. Okay, so we've just got some inking going on the outside here. I'm going to do one more at the bottom because this kind of looks like it's just hanging out doing nothing. So we're going to do that like that. This will go on like this. And I'm just going to wipe off the stamp real quick. There we go. Okay, well, let's close up the ink pad here before I put my hands in it. Okay, this I'm going to dimensionalize. And I have cut, this is the one that I used up in the other videos. I've just cut the edges so that I can use them. Okay, so we're just going to ink this up, or ink this up. We're going to peel the backings off. Okay, this is going to pop down like that. Okay, if you wanted to be more exact with these, you could take a pencil and just make a light pencil mark around your circle and then attach them. Okay, I need some adhesive. Okay, so I'm just going to put some adhesive along the middle of this so that I can attach it down to my banner. And I've just put it right at the top of the banner there. And I was a little crooked. I'm not too worried about it. Honestly, it's okay. I am going to put some dimensionals on this though. It is going to go just like this. So I'm just going to put dimensionals on this side. So I can just peel off some small dimensionals here like that. And we will put some adhesive here like that. Okay. And for bling, I'm not going to use the little pebbles that came in the kit. I'm going to use the adhesive-backed metallic gems. So I am just going to pop that down like that. And then I'm going to grab my adhesive gems here. And I am going to use the copper-colored ones because they're the closest to the pecan pie. So I'm going to do that like that. And you'll notice that when I put my dimensionals on, I only went around the outside. I didn't put dimensionals on the inside, and that's why, is so that it'll squish down. I'm just going to put that one there like that. It will still squish down. And I'm going to grab some small ones and just pop a couple around the edges like that. Okay, excellent. Let's load this up on the card base. Okay, and that will be our first alternate card completed. So there we go. That is our first alternate card. It's a nice birthday card. And again, if you wanted your stamping to show a little bit more, you could just do a pencil line and then follow that round with your stamp. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.